if you are injecting every day anyway, why can't you use test prop? Shouldn't it be better than other esters and have the results immediately?
This is the TRT and Hormone Optimization YouTube channel. And if you want to learn all about the science-based information on this topic, consider subscribing, hit that notification bell, and you'll be on your way.
No. Having results immediately is a flawed approach when you're looking at a lifelong treatment potentially, or at least the way it should go. The benefits of daily are lost when you're going to a short ester because a short ester must be done daily. The benefits of doing daily with a slightly longer or middleweight ester is the fact that you're going to achieve a steadier state with less highs and less lows. So if you look at the graph of a steady state, once you no longer have higher or lower levels, you're essentially going to peak and trough, right? And when you're using a short ester, those peaks and troughs, even though the middle line stays in the median, are still going to be bigger teeth marks, right? When you're looking at a longer ester, they're essentially going to be smaller wave frequencies. So Propionate done daily is going to give you a much steadier flow than Propionate done daily. So Propionate is really not something that we utilize for TRT ever. And we're not trying to chase a result within a matter of days when we can achieve it within weeks and keep it for a lifetime. Because with Propionate, missing a frequency or a dose can really throw everything off balance because it's out of your system that much quicker. So, I mean, we've gone over this several times, but that's the short of it.
Consider becoming a channel member for exclusive features, like loyalty badges, early access to new videos, funny stuff like rough cuts and bloopers, members-only photos and status updates on the community tab, and members-only livestream chat. On desktop, use the join button next to the subscribe. On mobile, use the join link in the description.